cat's out of the bag. This is my house for the year. That's really, really weird to say. Everything happened so sudden, but here we are. This is my house. I'll be here for a literal year. It's so crazy. It's so surreal. Everything has kind of like worked itself out so nicely. I know I've been saying I have like a sit down video with story times and budgeting and everything like that and how I got to this point in my life, because trust me, it's honestly not been cheap and it's been pretty stressful to get here, but I'm so beyond blessed that we found this place and we're able to have it for a whole year. And I love the owner of the home. She's so sweet and she is just the best. Like, this is the best possible situation, but I will film a sit down explaining story time video soon. And I'm not a story time person. I just feel like there's a lot to tell you guys, but I'm so excited to show you the place. If you've been watching the vlogs, you've already seen it, of course. How it kind of came about is we got to this place and I was so obsessed with it that I asked, at the time it was like our Airbnb, and I was like, hey, is there any chance you do yearly rentals? I asked if this place was available and it was. Weird enough, timing like that never happens, and like great places like this don't come about. I'm feeling seriously so grateful, and I want you guys to see the place that we're gonna be staying. Even if you have seen it in past vlog clips, I wanted to do like a full house tour. It's not my house, I didn't buy it, but I am renting it from the owner for a full year, so I will be here and you guys will get lots of videos from here, and it's just gonna be so amazing. So I thought I'd walk you through. I feel like I'm literally in a dream still, and I've been here for a month. Like, I don't know, I'll explain more later. Right now we're in the living room. It's such a cozy area to hang out. We have this big couch right here, and then obviously this huge flat screen TV. We have our YouTube, Spotify, like everything is on there. And this is where we watch the Bachelor nights. This is where we edit in the mornings and upload. There's like this beautiful painting right here. And then coming over here, there's like this cute coffee table. This is actually a fish bowl, so we might have to get a pet fish. And then we have like these cute little sitting bean bags. Coming over to the mirror, this place just seems like it's straight out of Urban Outfitters. I don't know how we got this like big beautiful mirror. It's just perfect, like taking outfit of the day pictures. Then coming over here, this is the kitchen. It's really nice. We're gonna try and cook a lot more now that it's officially ours for the year. As of right now, it is me, Lexi, and Mare that are living here. Mare's behind the camera. Hi guys. Mare and I not share the room, but like we don't really have anything in that room anyways. I have my stuff in the closet, and then we just like sleep in the bed together, and then like our clothes are just everywhere. So this is the cleanest it's probably ever gonna be. I just needed to show you guys the place and give the full rundown, a little bit of explaining. But yeah, this is the beautiful kitchen. She has so many plants in here that just make it so homey and earthy, and Lexi's mom is telling her how to water those, so we'll keep them alive and thriving. But yeah, we actually don't have a microwave. Fun fact. We don't want to get one. I did cave and we got a Keurig, so it's right there. Surprise, I also got a Costco membership, which is amazing and really exciting for me at least. We have like our snacks and stuff, our food right up here in the corner. There's some like other cooking stuff below, and then our fridge is just stocked. So yeah, that's basically on the kitchen. And then you come over here and there's like this nice big mirror. Not much else to say about it. Cute decorations. Right here, this is where we just kind of like kick our shoes to the side. Kind of like messy looking right now, but it's always going to be messy looking. It is what it is. This is Lexi's room. I will let her do her own room tour. So let's segue into that. Welcome to my room, you guys. I just want to warn you, there's not any cabinets in my room, so I'm still living out of my suitcases, but it's a work in progress and we're gonna get some. Here we go. Yep. There she is. I can't even begin to explain to you guys how perfect this room is. I want to show you my closet because it's probably the most organized thing I have going right now. But I've got my dresses, I've got my button downs, my jeans and stuff are over there. But also, this is kind of my work desk. So I keep all my whatever I have to film and take pictures with right here. And then this is a mess, but it works. You know, it works for now. We've got my tops, my pants, pajamas, bathing suit. Eventually, I'm going to get those plastic cabinets and put them in there. That way, it doesn't have to be just sitting on my floor. Ignore the dirty laundry. But yeah, there she is. The washer and dryer is right here, which is very nice and super convenient. We'll keep like beach towels up here. This is where we've been keeping them. So we've been in this house for like almost 3 weeks, I think. It's starting to feel like home. And then here, this is just the downstairs bathroom. Like, this is mostly Lexi's bathroom, but obviously people use it because it's just in and out. Yeah, this place is so beautifully decorated. Like, I just am in shock how we got this place and we found it. Proof that everything happens for a reason, and I can't wait to tell you guys about everything that's happened so far on this trip. But then we have this amazing wooden staircase that takes you up here. So welcome to the loft area. So the owner of this house actually is a elementary school music teacher, which is so cool. She's amazing, but yeah, she like left her drums here. There's some guitars on the wall. Literally so stunning. And then this just overlooks the downstairs. I've always wanted a loft. I think they're so gorgeous. This is something else. Everything about this place is perfect. I am obsessed. She has crystals here. A little bench right here. This window's super nice. The lighting up here is phenomenal. You'll see the lighting in my room is not that good, so when I film videos, I'll probably be filming them up here or down there. But yeah, she just has her instruments up here. Big full-length mirror. And now we can head in to my room. Welcome to my room. So we have the really high, pretty ceilings, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, the lighting's not too good in here, but it's very mellow. Like whenever I come in here, I just feel calm and relaxed, and yeah, I love it. This is the closet. She came and unlocked it and unpacked all her stuff the other day, and Mare organized all of this. We have the suitcases in here. Like, it's kind of coming together. So very epic stuff. This is the bathroom. The shower, it's just like an I don't know how to describe the shower, but there's a shower. And yeah, the only thing about this bathroom is that the mirrors are super small, but I don't really get ready in here anyways. I just go downstairs and we all get ready together mostly. Super nice, clean, love it. And then right here, there's a nice big TV, which is just, I've never had a TV in my room, so my mom never ever let me get like a TV in my room. So yeah, now I have one and it's pretty cool. I haven't really watched too much on it because we all hang out downstairs, but yeah, it's just so stunning in here. They have like this little bench. Normally I feel like I put my dirty clothes underneath, but for the sake of the video, they're not there. And then the coolest part about the room, which I think is the balcony. It's a little tricky to open the door and the screen is kind of broken. It's like off the track. Oh, it's literally off. I'm picking it up because I don't want it here anyways. I'm like taking the house apart right now. Okay, so yeah, that needs to be fixed, but this is the balcony. It's so pretty and peaceful, and obviously a part of the reason why the room doesn't get good lighting is because of the trees right here, but I honestly really like the privacy and how peaceful it is to like hear the leaves rustling at night, and like it's just as nice to have this like covered. So yeah, it's not like I come out here much anyways because you can't sit down. And then obviously like there's these curtains, you can close them, and it's really pretty. This place came fully furnished, which is so nice because I feel like yes, it's gonna be like my place for a year, but she just did such a good job with decorating it, so I'm not taking credit for any of this. This is just really convenient. And then the nice king size bed, very simple, very cute. Yeah, we can head back out. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Really big news, but I'm excited to grow and learn more about Hawaii and spend time with my friends here and just learn more about the culture, learn more about the land, and have an amazing year. So yeah, I'm very excited and blessed to be here. I can't even believe this is real life, but thank you guys for all you do. Without your support and without your love, like, you guys have gotten me through a lot, and you've also gotten me here, and I am very grateful and appreciative. So your nice comments and DMs never go unnoticed, but I had to say it. Thank you for watching. So excited for more content and everything happening here. But yeah, I'm glad you guys are going to be a part of it, and I'll see you soon. Bye, I love you.